How ticked do you think she is?
On what? A scale of 1 to 10?
Let her be, man.
I'm sure she is. Starfire's got a temper, right?
That's her problem. I don't like people putting us into a box, telling us what we're capable of, telling us who we are. I chose to become Robin. Nobody picked me.
Telling us who we are. I hear that. If you know what I mean.
What are you talking about?
Nothing. Right, Robin?
Whatever. Have your secrets.
It's a mess, but I don't see any... Did you just... These stacks of books keep moving.
It's not a ghost, guys.
It's Impulse. He's moving the books. Moving so fast, no one can see him.
But he can see us, right?
We're statues of him. But yeah, Bart knows we're here. He's just ignoring us.